Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Cook Off. I don't know if this is a new game, but this is new to me, and I actually really like it. It is a little bit similar to some other games like Cake Off, and kind of like Dress to Impress, but for cakes and foods. It doesn't have to necessarily be sweets. There's actually other fruits. Sorry, other foods. I don't know why I said other fruits. But basically, you'll need to, this is my countertop. You'll need to assemble kind of like a meal according to the theme. So I'm on free play mode so I can show you guys, but sometimes there will be a theme here. So for instance, the theme is retro. When I think of retro food, I think of this like pudding jelly with like cherries on top. So I'm just going to get some frosting too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, actually, let me remove this because I feel like I won't have enough, because the limit is 17 total items. I'm on free play, so it's 27, but the limit is actually 17 items only. So here I'm just going to get some cherries. Oh, it's here. I'm gonna get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cherries. And let's get a plate as well here. I'm gonna just get a plain plate. Where's my table? Oh, okay, so this is your countertop. You can also change the countertop, by the way. I don't remember how presentation. I'm going to use this one, then exit here, and then just place your item, and then there's a bunch of like options you can do. You can scale it, you can rotate it. Here I'll show you with this one. I'm just going to scale it. Actually, I'm just going to make it the same size, and then I can like move it. As you can see, turn your camera so you can kind of see where it's placed at. I'm just going to place it here, and then I'm just going to get another one, and I'm going to place it like here, for instance. Then I'm going to get another one. Oh my gosh, I forgot to put a plate on. I'll do that later. Got another one here. Whoa. It's a little bit hard to navigate, if I'm being honest. Why is it going up? I'm trying to like, oh, there we go. But you're just going to kind of like decorate the food according to the theme. There's going to be like Halloween, because right now it's Halloween season. I'm gonna add 2. Oh, okay, I think I need one more actually. May have needed 9 instead of 8. I'm going to get one more cherry, and I'm going to get, actually I'm gonna get okay, I'll get one more. Actually, I'll get 2 more cherries. I like how the cat is following me. It's so cute. I'm gonna get 2 of those, and the kind of frosting swirl. There are like categories, so if you're confused where everything is, you can just kind of zoom out and you'll see the categories on it. And I'm just going to go back to my countertop. Also, your dessert will always be facing this way when it's presentation time. Just a heads up. Did I get 2 cherries? I don't remember. No, I didn't. What's wrong with me? I'm just going to place it here. Again, you can rotate. You can even change the colors if you'd like to. But this just screams retro. So I'm going to also place the plate here. I'm just going to scale it up. And yeah, this is how you can play Cook Off. This tutorial took like 4 minutes. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.